There is an unspoken contract we make with the animals who share our homes. We ask them to adapt to our world. With its straight lines and hard surfaces, its noisy comings and goings. In return, we owe them not just food and shelter, but dignity. We owe them a place that is truly their own, a sanctuary within the sanctuary of our home. This is the quiet, profound problem that a standard wire or plastic crate presents. It speaks a language of utility, of temporary confinement, a cage-like intrusion in a space we have carefully curated for warmth and comfort. But what if their safe haven could feel less like a kennel and more like a den? What if it could be a piece that acknowledges their needs while also speaking to our own sense of beauty? This is the promise of the wooden dog crate, a piece of furniture that doesn't just house a dog, but honors a companion. Imagine a piece that stands sturdily against a wall, perhaps in a living room or at the foot of a bed. At first glance, it appears to be a simple, elegant side table or a low-slung console. The wood is warm, perhaps with the rich grain of oak or the clean lines of maple. There might be a solid drawer for storing leashes and treats. The craftsmanship is evident in the snug joinery, the smooth sanded edges, the gentle sheen of a hand-rubbed oil finish. It belongs. It is part of the room's conversation. But then, you notice the details. One side, or perhaps the front, is not a solid panel, but a beautifully crafted series of spindles or a panel of woven wire mesh framed in wood. It is a window into a private world. This is not an enclosure. It is a room within a room, a piece of architecture for a smaller, beloved inhabitant. The philosophy here is one of integration, not segregation. It understands that a dog's need for a secure den-like space is not in opposition to our desire for a beautiful home. The two can be woven together by crafting this space from wood. We are giving it weight, permanence, and soul. A wire crate a temporary fixture, but a wooden crate is a piece of the home. It has grounding presence. It tells your dog, this is not a place you're put away. This is your place, your corner of our world, built with the same care and intention as the rest of our furniture. The wood provides a sense of insulation and security that a wire crate cannot. It buffers sound, creates a darker or cave-like interior, and offers a solid, reassuring surface to lean against. It is in every sense a den. The character of this den is shaped by the wood itself. Think of the friendly, rustic warmth of pine. A crate fashioned from pine has a soft golden glow. It feels approachable and gentle. Its knots and grain patterns adding a touch of rustic charm. It is a wood that seems to welcome use, and as it acquires the faint scuffs and scratches of daily life, it only becomes more charming, telling the story of a life shared. Then there is the clean, bright serenity of maple. A maple dog crate feels modern and intentional. Its fine, often subtle grain and light color bring a sense of order and calm to a space. This is a wood known for its strength and durability, for standing up to the occasional scratch of a paw or nudge of a nose with unwavering composure. It is the choice for a home that values clarity and quiet elegance, a piece that provides a peaceful retreat for a pet amidst a busy household. And for a sense of deep grounded legacy, one might consider the rich tones of cherry or walnut. A crate built from cherry wood seems to gather the light in the room, glowing with a soft reddish brown warmth that deepens over the years. It speaks of heirloom quality, a piece that will last a lifetime. Walnut, with its dramatic swirling grain and deep chocolate hues, creates a piece of stunning beauty. It becomes a dark, cozy cave, a sanctuary of profound comfort that is also a striking accent piece in a room. But the design is about more than just the box. It is about the transitions, the moments of opening and closing. A cabinet door that swings open on solid, silent hinges transforms the crate from a hidden den into an inviting entrance. The interior might be lined with a soft, removable cushion, a bed within a bed. The front might feature a hinged panel that can be latched securely shut at night or left open during the day as an archway, an invitation to come and go as they please. So tell me, which of these ideas resonates with you the most? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So until next time, happy decorating!